Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to use TradingView on laptop, desktop and web view. So once you install the TradingView desktop application, you will see a interface look like this. Here firstly you can click on Get Start or a sign in button. Now it will ask you to log in, okay, or select a price. So I am not buying any price, I am simple click on login, okay, click on sign in. After that, once you will click here, you can simple click on sign in with browser. Now it will open a trading view on the browser and then you can simple give them a permission. After that, once here you will see it will ask you to enter the code that if you add here a two-step authenticator, so you can open your Google app and then here you can enter the code. Once you enter, here you will see the app will be signed in successfully. Okay, now the steps and the interference, also the complete UI will be exact same on the web view and the desktop application. Here you will see, once I open my trading view, web view, here you will see the interference are look like exact same. Here you will see, now scroll down, select the trade and now click on its chart. So wait, it will opening. Same as here, scroll down, select the trade. Okay, then click on chart to open the chart. Same as in desktop application. In desktop application, you will find a little delay according to the web application. And you will see the complete UI will be exact same on both the platforms in web view and in application. Here you will see same indicator placement, replay, alert, setting icons, trade, publish buttons. Okay. And in bottom side trading panel, same as here, you will find exact same everything. Okay, no changes in desktop view and application. Now click on trade, select your broker. Okay, now click on connect. Now here you will see the trading panel will be opened here. Now here you can simple click on trade. Now the trading time will be not okay according to your region. Here you will the trade will be only available when the trading time is up, like 10 to 5, 10 to 4. Then you will easily able to trade. After that, you can buy and sell your trade. Okay, you can learn, see the charts, exact same on the desktop and web application. Here you will see everything will be same to same. EMA. If you want to add, tap on it. Okay, I already added many EMAs. The setting button to open the settings, both are same. Here you will see. So I hope you will understand the steps and how you can use this web and the desktop application. Goodbye.